It's just going to be a super like quick and dirty video of the anti-reflecting screen protector for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is directly from Samsung. It's a total piece of garbage. So you can see the box is all matte, and like the actual picture of the screen protector or whatever, it's reflective. And I thought that was really weird considering it's anti-reflecting, and the only reflective part in the box was the screen protector. So I don't know. I thought that was like a joke until I saw it, and it's actually like super shiny, like more than the phone itself. So if we look up in the top here, like right here by the camera, you can actually see that the reflection of my light, it's like purple. Like it has a darker reflection to it in the actual glass itself, and it's more reflective in the screen protector. So by having the screen protector on, sorry, let me rephrase. By having the anti-reflecting screen protector on the phone, it actually becomes more reflective than it would be without it. Also, this application line in the middle doesn't really seem to go away. I put this on a few hours ago. I've been using it quite a bit. The phone got like extremely hot when I was setting it up, which I mean, like that's like a normal Samsung thing. But heat didn't make it go away. That's the thing. So that's kind of like a permanent line. Now, just gonna kind of get in here. I need like a white screen. So we have this open, but the screen protector actually doesn't fit. So let's see. Let's zoom in. Do you see that like pink line? Now it's green, pink, green, pink, green. It's reflecting off of the edge of the pixels, and it's kind of making like a rainbow thing, but you can see that the screen protector is just like slightly to the right of the screen, right? So it looks like I didn't put it on correctly. Until you look at the other side, and it's the same way. So the screen protector is like it's physically smaller than the actual screen of the phone. So this screen protector made for the S24 Ultra is skinnier than the actual screen. So it makes like these rainbow bars on each side. And it's anti-reflecting. It makes the phone more reflective than it actually is. And you also have this line in the middle that you can't get rid of. So I don't know. This is an awful screen protector. I'm not really sure what else to say about it. Just don't buy this. Also, the phones don't come with a screen protector anymore. The phones don't come with a screen protector anymore, which is why I got this. So I had to pay $25 extra because it doesn't include one, and it's worse than the actual screen. So I don't know. Good luck. Like, share, subscribe, whatever, but or don't. I don't know. I'm not telling you what to do.